how to avoid burnout while chasing your goals. Burnout will not make you rich, but it will make you quit. Hindi ka yayaman kung mauubos ka. Walang yumayaman sa sobrang pagod lang. Yung totoong umaangat, alam na alagaan yung sarili. If OFW ka sa Canada, may pangarap ka sa real estate, negosyo, or investment, I'll give you 5 real steps para umangat ka without burning out. Ang buhay ay parang rental property lang yan. Pag hindi mo inaayos, mauubos lang, sira ang tubo. Subscribe now. It will help this channel tremendously and it will help other Filipinos trying to invest and learn real estate. Segment number 1, stop glorifying burnout. Ang pagod, hindi medal. Sa culture natin, parang yabang ang pagkakapagod, grabing overtime, no? Parang pinagmamalaki pa natin. Pero ang totoo dyan, umaangat ka ba or nauubos? Yung burnout increases sick leave by 63%. It doubles your chances of quitting your job. Parang bahay na walang maintenance, unstable kahit mahal. Comment reset kung ikaw mismo ramdam mo to sa buhay mo. Step 2, set a life-based goal, not just money. Kung pera lang yung goals mo sa buhay, ikaw mismo mauubos ka. Pera pays your bills, but purpose builds life. People with personal goals are 2 times less likely to experience burnout. Ang pera, parang pader lang yan. Hindi yan ang bahay. Type your real goals in the comment section. Step number 3 is build your systems, not just sacrifice. Ikaw ang pagod kasi ikaw mismo ang sistema. Kung lahat sa'yo umaasa, ikaw ang pinakamaunang bibigay. Sa real estate naman, kung meron ka tamang sistema sa binili mo, yan ang totoong nagpapayaman, hindi yung pagod. Comment down below if you want to start your passive income journey. Step number 4 is rest should be a part of your plan. Hindi reward yung pahinga, but requirement yan sa buhay. Kung hindi ka mismo nagre-recharge, babagsak ka. Remember this, stress increases heart disease by 40%. Ang pahinga ay parang maintenance lang yan. Diyan ka nagre-recover. Without that, ikaw mismo ang masisira. Schedule your rest. It has to be part of your plan. Comment down below if your rest is part of your plan. Step 5 is to invest in yourself first. Ikaw kasi yung pinakamaunang asset. Number 1 asset ka. Yung property, pwede mabawi, pero yung utak at kaalaman mo, hindi yan mawawala. Pwede ka mawala ng pera, pero huwag ang sarili mo. Lahat pwedeng maibenta, pero yung sarili mo hindi. If this hits home, subscribe. Hindi ka mahina dahil pagod ka. Tao ka. Chase your goals, but never at the cost of yourself. Real wealth is not money. It's having the strength to enjoy life. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe, share with other Filipinos. It might help them start their real estate journey.